Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a private story in Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first step is open up the Snapchat app here, and I'm going to show you two different options that you have. One is, let's just take a photo or a video, add text, music, all of that stuff, and hit send to at the bottom right. You have a couple different options here. Is my public story, this is visible to everyone, or just my story that's visible to friends only. So if you wanted to make it private to just your friends, you can choose to do that here. However, if you wanted to just send that to a specific person or group of people, you can do that as well. So to do that, you'll have to actually hop out of here. Let's just abandon and tap on your profile at the top left. Now, all you have to do is where it says add to my story, under there is new private story. So I'm going to tap on that button and it says, first of all, just choose who you want to be able to see that story. You can title it at the very top and then you can hit create story and you're going to name it. That sounds good. And you can see add to Trevor's private story. I can tap on it. I can add something from the camera roll. I can just tap the little camera here and take a picture if I wanted to. Any of these different things. Essentially, this allows you to limit who can see any of these stories to a specific person or group of people if you want. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.